Your academic CV may only have 90 seconds to impress the reader. In order to make a strong first impression in such a short amount of time, you need to craft an academic CV that's succinct and compelling. Luckily, you're in the right place. I'm Amanda Augustine, your resident career expert here at Top Resume. And in this video, we'll cover the differences between a resume and an academic CV, along with how to write the perfect one. Let's get started. First things first, what's the difference between a resume and an academic CV? A resume is targeted towards specific industries and sectors, both private and public, while an academic CV focuses on your research and academic background. You typically use an academic CV when you're applying for jobs in the medical, academic, scientific, or research fields. On your academic CV, you'll need to highlight publications, presentations, conferences, grants, awards, and teaching experience. Details which might not be included on your resume unless it's relevant to a specific job. Another difference between the academic CV and a resume is that a resume is generally more concise, typically 1 to 2 pages. An academic CV, on the other hand, is more comprehensive and can be several pages long. While a resume contains specific sections like contact information, a summary, and relevant skills, a CV focuses on academic details, like a thesis or dissertation title, academic advisors, and sometimes a brief statement of your research interests. You want to share all of your academic achievements in a CV, whereas on your resume, they often only make up a line or two. Like a resume, an academic CV must still have a clear and professional format that's easy to read and has a logical flow. You should list your academic degrees in reverse chronological order, just like you would on your work experience in a traditional resume. With these tips, you'll be able to craft a great academic CV and stand out in your field. If you'd like more personalized help, you can get a free review from Top Resume's academic CV experts to find out how to improve your CV's writing and formatting. I'm Amanda Augustine for Top Resume. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest resume tips and career advice. See you soon.